In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft OneNote section tab color. Customizing your section tabs in OneNote is a simple way to organize your notebook visually. By assigning different colors to sections, you can quickly distinguish between topics, projects, or categories, making your workflow more efficient and your notes easier to navigate. To begin, open your OneNote application and select the notebook where you want to change the section tab color. Make sure the notebook is fully loaded so all sections are visible at the top of the page. Next, identify the section tab you want to modify. Section tabs are located across the top of your notebook and represent different sections within the notebook. Right-click on the tab you want to change to open the context menu. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Section Color. Clicking on this option will open a palette of colors available for your section tab. You can now choose any color that suits your preference or matches the theme of your notebook. Once you select a color, the section tab will immediately update, reflecting your choice. This makes it easy to visually organize your notes and quickly locate the section you need when working with multiple tabs. If you want to experiment with different colors, you can repeat the same process for other sections. This allows you to create a color-coded system across your notebook, helping you stay organized and saving time when navigating through your notes. Changing section tab colors is particularly useful when managing large notebooks with multiple topics. By assigning distinct colors to each section, you can quickly identify specific areas without needing to read through all the tab names. Additionally, this feature helps reduce eye strain by providing visual breaks between sections, and it makes your notebook look more appealing and personalized. By following these steps, you can maintain a neat and organized notebook that's tailored to your workflow and preferences, improving both efficiency and readability. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.